Good evening and welcome to the news. First, let's take a look at the headlines. India becomes fastest country in the world to achieve over 70 lakh COVID-19 vaccinations. In Meghalaya, over 11,000 health workers vaccinated. India-China agree for disengagement in north and south banks of Pangong Lake. Defence Minister Rajnath Singh tells Parliament. Meghalaya Chief Minister Conrad Sangma calls on Union Home Minister Amit Shah in Delhi. Shah assured to visit Meghalaya next month. And BSF holds Maitri rally to commemorate 100th birth anniversary of Bangladesh's founding father Sheikh Mujibur Rahman. The news in detail. India has become the fastest country in the world to achieve over 70 lakh vaccinations against COVID-19 in only 26 days. It took 27 days for the US and 48 days for the UK. Union Health Ministry said a total of over 70 lakh 17,000 people have been administered COVID-19 vaccines in the country so far. More than 4 lakh 5,000 people were inoculated with COVID vaccine doses in the last 24 hours. The number of beneficiaries being vaccinated every day has shown a progressive increase. The ministry said 13 states and union territories have vaccinated over 65% of the registered healthcare workers. In Meghalaya, over 11,000 health workers have been vaccinated till today, an official source said. Defence Minister Rajnath Singh today informed that India and China have agreed for disengagement in the north and south bank of Pangong Lake in eastern Ladakh. Giving a statement in the Rajya Sabha, Singh assured that the nation's approach and strategy for negotiations with the Chinese side has been guided at the highest level by Prime Minister Narendra Modi's resolve that India will not give even an inch of its territory. The minister said the tenacity and approach of the country during talks have yielded results.
मुझे सदन को यह बताते हुए खुशी हो रही है कि हमारे इस अप्रोच तथा सस्टेन्ड टॉक्स के फलस्वरूप चीन के साथ पैंगोंग लेक के नॉर्थ एवं साउथ बैंक पर डिसएंगेजमेंट का समझौता हो गया है और इस बात पर भी सभापति महोदय इस बात पर भी सहमत हो गई है कि पैंगोंग लेक से पूर्व पैंगोंग लेक से पूर्ण डिसएंगेजमेंट के 48 आवर्स के अंदर सीनियर कमांडर स्तर की बातचीत हो तथा बाकी बचे हुए मुद्दों पर भी हल निकाला जाए.
Union Home Minister Amit Shah will make a two-day visit to Shillong to discuss on the revamping of the NEC in March. This was disclosed by Chief Minister Conrad Sangma after meeting Shah in New Delhi on Wednesday. During the two-day visit, Shah will meet the organizations who have been raising different issues pertaining to the state, Sangma said. The Chief Minister informed that the Union Home Minister has assured that he will do everything possible to ensure that the culture, identity and language of the people of Meghalaya and the Northeast are safeguarded at all costs.
The Honorable Home Minister has made a plan to make a full-day visit to Shillong to discuss on the revamping of the NEC. The Honorable Home Minister has given assurance that he will do all that's possible to ensure that the culture, the identity and the language of the people of Meghalaya and the Northeast and in general the country as a whole is always protected.
The District Horticulture Officer, West Janta Hills District, Jowai, organized today a horticulture exhibition at Marian Hill Higher Secondary School Playground, Jowai. The exhibition was formally inaugurated by Director of Horticulture, S. Nongbet, as chief guest in the presence of District Agriculture Officer, D. Pirbot, as the guest of honor. The various crops of the region like ginger, turmeric, fruits, flowers were exhibited in it. Addressing the gathering, Nongbet lauded that department for holding the exhibition for 3 blocks of the district. The cultivation of turmeric in Lakadong has been expanded in terms of area of cultivation, she added.
dapat money kini exhibition to ni
man ketik epi man ra kita kijing thong lavender kubi lavender broccoli lavender muli baka no kinang benthom le uni sisa uni muli jo phi udesi lo deserve sisa bani ok ta first prize pira shim pira follow kumba kan nakalian sarkar am kat no gi kai kita ki package of practices we jing thong dai nakaliang hi jom sarkar kala bo ki phithong kapor thong we sumbai wa bha kumno ban kara kumno ban ice bo kumno ban pet ban suma nagi knyang kum da hadu ban khai so ita iwe jing thong la ban ding jhol la ban ding so ngi shi mang la da film lupa ya kata ka package of practices.
The BSF Maitri rally organized to commemorate the 100th birth anniversary of Bangladesh's founding father Sheikh Mujibur Rahman reached its last checkpoint in Meghalaya today. The rally reached the border outpost Dauki, where the cyclists were greeted by senior officials of both Border Security Force and Border Guard Bangladesh (BGB). The occasion was marked by various cultural programs and festivities. BSF spokesperson Umesh Kumar Nayal complimented the cyclists and extended his gratitude to the BGB for their cooperation in conducting the rally. The rally is expected to conclude on 17th March at Mizoram, traversing a distance of 4,097 kilometers.
To strengthen the relation further between two friendly countries, the Border Security Force is conducting a cycle rally that we call it a Maitri cycle rally as friendship between both the countries. It started on 10th of January from 0 point in the state of Bengal, and it will terminate on 17th of March to create a sense of confidence and sense of security among the border population of both the countries, and to have a very cordial relations.
People are very happy. As we see, people are very happy. They are energetic. Everywhere we go, we are singing different programs that where others. Yeah, only this I have to say. People are very happy, and our message that we want to give is only that India Bangladesh friendship is good. That is the message too.
Fisheries Minister Dasakyat Lamari on Wednesday inaugurated a fish sanctuary at Nongkhnum in West Khasi Hills. Jointly sponsored by the Blue Revolution for Rs 4 lakh and under the Fish Farmer Development Agency at a cost of 2.57 crore, the sanctuary will aim at preserving and producing local fish species besides increasing the production to meet the state's requirement, the minister informed. As many as 159 fish species are present in different parts of the state, which need to be preserved for the future generation, he added. Nongstoin MLA Macmillan Bursat in his speech informed that the Nongkhnum is the second largest river island in Asia after Majuli River Island.
Dari kat pedang ya tipol kat bagi ya di sini iba bidang jajat. Boleh kita jajat namar ba bidang kibriu ki babanuntom lagi tiar ki baper bantong ikini dokha. Dan ki bapuntai du bom dan ki ba air kata wipi. Ngani tu ipi hot no kala banlong ka jingle ka bapun sultanat. Ndrai haga jo kopor ka deru ka jingle ka bapun snu ya kamarian. Bat kaba bo ka jingma ya ki kon ki kiti ki prosa ka jomi ki barang shakmat chapra.
The Shillong Traffic Police yesterday signed a Memorandum of Understanding with State Bank of India for implementation of e-Challan facility in the city. After its implementation, the Shillong Traffic Police will be able to generate e-Challans and impose penalties digitally. Violators will be able to pay fines on the spot through cash or card payments via point-of-scale machines carried by police officials. The system has been integrated with Wahan and Sarati applications, thus enabling the traffic police to fetch the details of the violator. And now the weather report. The maximum temperature recorded was 18.1 degrees Celsius and the minimum temperature was 7.1 degrees Celsius. Relative humidity in the morning was 42%, while in the evening was 48%. Forecast: Shillong and its adjoining areas are most likely to remain dry. Before I wind up, here are the headlines once again. India becomes the fastest country in the world to achieve over 70 lakh COVID-19 vaccinations. In Meghalaya, over 11,000 health workers vaccinated. India-China agree for disengagement in north and south banks of Pangong Lake, Defence Minister Rajnath Singh tells Parliament. Meghalaya Chief Minister Conrad Sangma calls on Union Home Minister Amit Shah in Delhi. Shah assured to visit Meghalaya next month. And BSF holds Maitri Rally to commemorate 100th birth anniversary of Bangladesh's founding father Sheikh Mujibur Rahman. That's all we have in the news for today. Until we meet tomorrow at the same time, same channel. Thank you for watching and good night.